Helpful affiliate marketing tips you cannot find elsewhere. You are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. With so much information available on the internet, it is hard to narrow down what is legitimate and what is trash. In this video, we will provide you with high-quality tips and tricks that may just work for you. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. To increase your revenues while acting as an affiliate, it's a great idea to actually market your own products. The great part here is that you don't even have to create it yourself. You can find the resale rights for many great information products and offer them for low prices on your site, or even hold 2-for-1 deals. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, use some of the free tools like Google Analytics to set goals for each ad and check it frequently to see that each ad is paying off. When you discover one that is not performing as well, replace it. In summary, there is a lot of information on the internet to sort through and determine what is legitimate. Hopefully, you not only found this resource useful but you learned something new about affiliate marketing. With the tips that we provided and some self-motivation, you should not be far off from being an expert. Student loan.